Have you noticed your iPhone screen turning red and black when charging? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to fix the red and black screen on iPhone when charging your device. Now let's get started. The red and black screen is actually a newer feature on iPhone called Standby. This is intended to give you information at a glance while your device is charging and on its side. To turn off standby mode, open your settings. Scroll down and tap Standby. You can then turn off night mode to get rid of just the red tint, or tap the switch at the top to turn off standby completely. If you'd like to learn more about standby mode and how to customize it, check out our tutorial on how to set up standby on iPhone. For more helpful iPhone tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of iPhone tutorials. We'll have it linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.